We have been working through all the free video tutorials on the Husqvarna Viking Designer Epic 3. Hi, I'm Sarah from sewingmastery.com, and there is a link in the description below to the complete playlist of all the free video tutorials and some of our online courses. Now, one of the online courses I want to talk about is our Husqvarna Viking Bootcamp. So this course was designed because there are so many free features that came with this machine that because it's a Wi-Fi capable machine and with its connection to the mysewnet.com website, there is so many areas that people don't realize that are beneficial that were included with your purchase. So my friend Liz and I actually created a 6-hour course going into each of these areas to help you master even more. Now here's the thing, when we talk about that there is no supply list for this course, we mean it because everything that you've already bought is everything you're using. You don't have to purchase anything extra. Now, when I say MySewNet, a lot of my students get a little apprehensive because they think, well, is she talking about digitizing software? Or is she talking about the vault and the ability to transfer designs without needing a USB stick? Is she talking about the blog that I can get to? Well, here's the thing. The MySewNet is a global entity, and there's so many things about it that are why people are confused. So we took the time to go ahead and break down each section. Now, I do have one extra little bonus thing that we do. We actually take and do not only embroidery features that are amazing, but we also dive deeper into the sewing features. And what we actually did was we took some of the features from our sister company, our FOF machines, that are exclusive over there, like their ribbon stitches, their radiant stitches, their stacking stitches, and their floating stitches, and created a few extra lessons to help you learn how to create them on this machine. So just because you don't own a FOF machine doesn't mean you don't have some of those wonderful features as well. So the Husqvarna Viking Bootcamp course, there are free videos that you can watch to see if that course is right for you. And you know, people ask me, well, can you teach this class? I said, yes, but it's going to take me like 2 days to teach you everything about it. And the nice thing about one of our courses is when you purchase it, you own it for life, because this is something that you're going to need to go back to, do a lesson at a time, explore those avenues, come back, do another lesson, and you don't have to rush through it. The other thing that we are doing is, as things are being updated, which they always are, we have been adding to it to describe some of those newer updates. So you don't ever have to buy the boot camp again for future updates. We'll just add to it and kind of adjust as new information becomes available to our newer machines. So I hope you'll check out the options. We do have the options for, like I said, the blog and the free designs that you can get that pop up on your machine. It's pretty cool. How to get your account set up so you have instant access right at your fingertips every day, 24/7. Click on those links in the description below for our free video tutorials and the courses, especially the Husqvarna Viking Bootcamp online course. I hope to see you in class soon.